This is the light kit that comes with it. It's very nice. Each one of these has 6 LEDs, and it has a ground and a hot wire to it. We're going to crimp on these quick connects, Then we're going to run the wiring harness. The wiring harness is nice because it has an illuminated light right here. So we can turn it on anytime we want. If we hooked up to the wiring connection that's already in the back, it will turn on in reverse, but sometimes I might want it to turn on if it's not in reverse. So this is what this lighting switch is going to be really nice. So to clip to the wiring harness, I've crimped these connectors on, and now these things will actually fit over here and give a pretty waterproof seal, which is nice. So we're going to install these lights, and then we're going to run the wiring harness, and then let's look at the Ranger. They've really made it easy to make these additions. It's remarkable. To remove the gauge cluster, all I had to take out were these 2 little quick connects. Then this whole gauge cluster comes out. In addition, 2 more of these quick connects were removed, which gained us access to this panel. So I'm going to cut out this square for this switch and pop it in. This is dramatically better and easier than the Rangers of the past, and I applaud Polaris for really making this much more user-friendly. Next we'll mount these lights. We'll have them with the wording up, the wiring down. They fit in here very nicely. A hex screw, flat washer, locking washer, and then the nut. We'll tighten it with an Allen wrench and a nut driver. So I cut this out with the oscillating saw. We'll feed the cable through it. The wiring. There it fits right in. Rear lights. Beautiful. And we'll just bring this through here. So I ran the electrical cords up here, connected them actually to the battery, ran this cable underneath, got the cable again from the light switch, dropped it down here, connected them both, and it works great. Notice when you turn it on, the lights are blue, they're bright back there, and now we'll cover everything up. This section came out by just removing some of those small plastic rivets that Polaris likes so much. So we're going to turn these backup lights, these rear lights on, so you can see how impressive they are. That's just battery power. That's going to give me a great visibility for backing up, and when I want to use this rear winch and light up something back here, especially at night. So that's great. 12 LEDs really shining brightly for sure. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is the video of the installation of the rear lights for the bumper, for the Wild Boar bumper. I'll list a link to these lights. They're very intense, they're LED, and they come with a great switch that you can put in your instrument panel. Again, consider subscribing. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Thank you for watching. Comments are very appreciated and welcome. Thank you.